Hey guys, in this video I will show you some coolest features from translate function. Here I was set 4 images and their CSS properties. So I set the width, display, margin top and transition. Now I will select the first class and set their hover and give the transform and translate function use and give their value. First is for left and right and second is for top and bottom. So I will set here in a 3-600. Now let's say set and open our live server. Okay. When I was over this element, we'll connect it. It's a cool line. Okay. Next class is called over. Okay. Let's save and save. When I will be hover, it will move around like that. Okay, nice, it's perfect. When I was over the ball will move like that. Okay, next task is and if it I will move gently, so I will use X and give their values 400 pixels going to the right side horizontally move. So let's save and save. Okay, now I will be over. Okay, nice, it's a perfect work. Okay. And our last process is cap and the over and then from, and I will use Y because I will move as a vertical line, so I will use Y and keep their values in minus because I will go to top. If are going to down, then I will use the positive value because and in this cases I will go to the upper side, so I will use the negative value like that. Let's save and check it. Okay, it's over perfectly nice. So this is the coolest features of our translate functions. So thank you.